Eban Ghana, a year 66 Commonwealth Parliamentary Conference, no, Yasaje Ediasi, and now so say Yang and Yabejia Hoho, Adom TV, Ediba.
Alban Sumana Kingsford Bagbin, a year, Chiamehine, a woman Shibijum. One of some trophy share Munu and what did you just say? A Shibija for the bro, handsome, and a Commonwealth Parliamentary Conference at us, it was Ciano. One woman na Ebe Shiam, our Ghana Hanumwa, is see Ghana Hanum, Emra Shibijum, so. Nasan Shiam, it's here that so any Commonwealth chapter 10 years on, values and principles for Parliament to uphold.
It looks like democracy is in crisis. And this calls for global action. No wonder that the chosen team for the 66th Commonwealth Parliamentary Conference is the Commonwealth Charter 10 years on. Values and principles for Parliament to uphold.
Wasanchiri Muse, and Shemuna Siano, and Mashibja for a wonum ebe Shiamuno ebedrinjene, and Yamabi to Seban Bohon Sem, Tikasem, any and Yama for Fra, will be to me a dear Guaquemu said the Abeya, a tutura Semia Ecoso Ewo, a Bibimaya who do mono, will be Unquaya what the Befaso.
The Commonwealth family requires a platform for dialogue and cooperation among member countries to address the common challenges we face while upholding the values and the core principles of the Commonwealth. The Commonwealth Parliamentary Association envisions promoting inclusive, representative, and transparent Commonwealth parliaments.